Hey guys, welcome to my new After Effects video. In this video I will show to make background abstract animation with After Effects. Let's get started. So guys, welcome back, and in this video I will show very easy way for create background shape animations. First one, let's create new solid layer for background and go to color cube. Let's select black color like this, click OK, add name background, click OK, and look layer, then go to shape layers, hold this icon, select this ellipse tool and go to enable title action save, and let's hold shift, make one ellipse like this, click selection tool, and for move to anchor point center, select shape layer, go to pen behind, hold control and double click this icon for move to anchor point center, click selection tool and go to window, enable align, click this icon and this icon for move the object to center. So let's change this name shape 1 and go to stroke, change stroke color white, click OK, and right now let's change quality full, select shape layer and go to add, let's select repeater and open repeater 1 and open here, change this all position 0. Okay, and scale, we can change scale like this. Okay, so let's try change this 85 and go to copies and change copies 25 and let's see. Okay, nice, and let's move up for center like this, all shape layers. Okay, we can change scale like this. So in this time let's change this 110. Let's make rotate animation like this for wiggle. Let's hold alt, click this time icon for open expression and right here time 25. For down expression click this empty area. Let's see. Okay, we have already abstract animation, and let's close this setting, select shape layer 1 and go to add, and let's use wiggle path and open wiggle path 1. Let's change size like this. Okay, nice visuals, and let's animation. Okay, nice, and let's change detail 0 and make detail keyframe. Let's go to here and in this time change this 15 and select 2 keyframes, move to right. Let's see. Okay, select the last keyframe, move to right. Okay, select keyframes, make easies and select first keyframe, move to left. Okay, not bad. So let's close these wiggle path settings, open repeater again, and we can change some settings here. For example, let's change start opacity 25. Okay, let's change quality quarter and change this 15. Nice, and go to FX presses, search effect glow, select glow, let's use for this shape layer and change glow settings. Let's say again. Okay, not bad. So let's select this shape layer 1 and Ctrl D, select shape layer 1 and press S, change scale and go to stroke color, change to blue. Okay, select the shape layer 1, let's Ctrl D again, select shape layer 1 here, press S and change scale, go to stroke color, change to red. Okay, very nice. So guys, thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.